Hi Sophia. So we're still going to look at compensation today, but what I thought I'd show you, last time when we did it, we looked at rounding a number up to a tidy number. So we had 29 and we made that into 30, and we had 51 and we made that into 60. This time we're going to look at what we can do if our numbers are not close to a tidy number by rounding up, but they're close by rounding down. So if we look at 42 plus 35, 42 is not really close to 50, and 35 is not really close to 40 either. So we can actually round down. So if we look at 42 and 35 and I think, can I round down to a close tidy number? And I think 42 is close to 40. So to get from 42 to 40, I need to take away 2. Now, if I take away 2 from this side, I need to do the opposite to this side. So I'm going to plus 2. So now we have 42 minus 2 is 40, plus 35 plus 2 is 37. Now we can go 40 plus 30 is 70, plus 7 is 77. Let's go through that one more time. So you can round down to make a number into a tidy number. So we've got 42 minus 2 equals 40. And if we're minusing 2, we need to plus 2 on the other side to make it nice and balanced and not change the equation. So now we've got 35 plus 2, and that makes it 37. And then we go and look at our two numbers, and we can look at our tens, and we can go 40 and 30 is 70, plus 7 more is 77. Let's look at this one. So we've got 102 plus 84. I'm thinking that 102 is quite close to 100. So we're going to go minus 2. So if we're minusing 2, we need to plus 2 on this side. Now we rewrite out the equation. It's really important when you're doing these to write out all of the steps. So you're writing out what you're adding or what you're subtracting, and then you're rewriting out your equation and then doing your working out. It just makes it much easier, especially when you're working with big numbers. So now we've got 102 minus 2 is 100, plus 84 plus 2 is 86. That's so much easier for me to work out now that we have a nice tiny number to work with. So now we've got 100 plus 86, and straight away I know that that is 186. So we can use our compensation strategy to round up to a tidy number or to round down to a tidy number. We just have to remember that whatever we do to one side, we need to do the opposite to the other number. So if we're taking away 2 here, we need to add 2 here. Or if we're adding 2, like in this example, then we have to minus 2 here. What I've done for you, Sophia, is I've got another 11 questions for you to do. They do get a wee bit harder as you go through. Again, you might need to use some of those other strategies to help you, but try to use your compensation strategy first and think carefully about those tidy numbers and what would be a good tidy number, or what would be a good number to change to a tidy number, because tidy numbers make it so much easier for us to work from. Have an awesome